Hey friends, if you wish to download Bing backgrounds as your wallpaper, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So click on this option here which says get the new Bing wallpaper app, and then it will download the Bing wallpaper app and then you can install it. Okay, all we need to do is to open it. This is the Bing wallpaper app, and then you can start using Bing wallpapers. And even more, if you want wallpapers like them, just right click on the start button, select settings, go to personalization, select background, change it to Windows Spotlight, and it will give Bing like wallpapers here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.